Hi, I'm Fritz with Rad Power Bikes, and welcome to Rad Academy. These are themed monthly e-bike classes that give riders a chance to hone their skills. Today, we're going to talk about bike fitting. While every Rad city is the same, every rider is different. In order to make your ride safe and comfortable, the important thing to remember about fitting is that you want to bring the bike to your body and not the other way around. There are a variety of ways for you to do this at home. On an e-bike by Rad Power Bikes, you can achieve a good fit by adjusting the handlebars and seat in different ways. To get started, all you'll need is a set of metric Allen wrenches, which you'll find in any bike toolkit or at any hardware store. These are also included in the assembly toolkit that comes with each bike. Let's talk seat or saddle adjustment. When you have to push yourself back against a seat that's sliding you forward, you tense up. When you have to sit on the wrong part of the saddle, it can be awkward. With the proper seat angle, you'll feel like you're sitting on a flat and level surface. Seats can easily be shifted forward and back, tilted up and down, and raised higher and lower to meet your body comfortably. To adjust the height of your seat, use the quick release. Undo the lever to loosen the seat post, and raise and lower the seat until it feels like you're not too compressed or too stretched out. When you're at the bottom of your pedal stroke, you're looking for an approximately 30-degree bend in your knee. The height of your seat should be such that your hips and upper body don't rock back and forth on the seat as you pedal. Use a 6mm Allen wrench to adjust the angle and horizontal position of your saddle. To adjust the angle, loosen the saddle rail clamp bolt until you can tilt the saddle. Make sure to tighten the clamp before riding to avoid damage. You'll know you've got the angle right when it feels level when you're riding. Might not look exactly level to the eye. You can also slide the saddle forward and backward to put your body in position right on top of your pedals. In the right position, you'll feel like your feet are underneath your body. Let's talk about your handlebars. If you feel like you have to stretch up, down, or forward to reach the handlebars, you'll probably be uncomfortable and unstable on the road. When properly fitted to your handlebars, your shoulders and elbows will be relaxed. When you're in this position, your body is more resilient and able to better absorb any bumps or unexpected dips on your ride. Many of our models' handlebars can be easily adjusted with a 5mm Allen wrench. To do this, loosen the handlebar clamp bolts, twist the bar to an angle that feels natural, and tighten the bolts to the proper torque to secure it. Also remember that you can twist your handlebar grips and make sure they support your palms, and reposition your brake levers and other controls to make them easier to reach. Some of our models, like the Rad Mini, allow you to raise and lower the handlebars for an even more customized fit. Open the quick release lever, bring the handlebar to a comfortable position, and tighten the lever to keep it there. Almost every part of our e-bikes can be adjusted to make a fit that any body can ease into. Look for cues in your posture. Shoulders relax and drop, wrists straighten, hips stabilize, neck unkinks. Now you've reached the point where you can hop on and relax into a comfortable, stable, and balanced position. Thanks for watching, and ride rad.